Dare to dream. Learn to excel. It's not merely a collection of words, but a profound declaration of purpose and potential. To dare is to embrace the risk of failures. Dreams are the seeds from which innovation and progress sprout. Dreaming alone is not enough. The pathway from dream to reality is paved with learning and hard work. To excel means nurturing your talents and skills and continuously seeking knowledge. The model before you is the phoenix, a symbol of rebirth, resilience, and renewal.